Probably one of the best cuts of steak that you can buy that's readily available is the Ribeye Cap, the rib cap, the spinalis. I got these at Costco. Take a look at them. They are USDA prime and they are so amazing. This is an amazing cut of steak. And tonight, what we're gonna be doing on our favorite cooker, the pit barrel cooker, we're going to be smoking them low and slow. I'm gonna sear them off. I'm gonna get fancy, sear them off on the griddle, and I'm just gonna make an amazing steak dinner for Babe and I. I think it's just a really special weekend night. I wanna bring you guys along. Let's jump into the show. All right, so the battle plan tonight is we're gonna be using one of our favorite cookers still of all time, the pit barrel cooker. We're gonna be reverse searing them. So I'm gonna use the pit barrel cooker. I'm gonna set it up as their directions on their website. It's gonna run at 275 degrees. I'm gonna be using lump charcoal. I'm gonna be using a fire cup. We're gonna light that charcoal up. I'm gonna reverse sear them, and I'm gonna get fancy at the end. I'm gonna put it on the flat top griddle, do a little sear at the very end. We'll slice that up. Babe's gonna make some broccoli. We're gonna be using some Uncle Steve's shake. We're gonna be seasoning it with Uncle Steve's shake. Babe's gonna make, I think, some risotto, a salad. I don't know, just I wanna bring you guys along just for probably one of the most epic steak dinners that you can have. And this is a Costco find. This is easy peasy, literally. This is going to be impressive, I promise you that. All right, so let's just jump into it. Let's light the pit barrel and we'll start everything. Let's go. UncleSteveShake.com, the All-American SPG. Oh yeah. Dump some in a bowl. I think that's gonna be really nice to season these up. And I like Uncle Steve's because he has not only good salt, but he also has like big peppercorn, like big pepper, like black crushed pepper. You can see that in there, which really makes me happy. Once you grill steaks and stuff like that, it really works well. When I use my pit barrel cooker, I follow the directions on their website. I use a fire cup. I put my little half charcoal of chimney on it, and then I'm using lump today. That's how I light it. And this is really an awesome set it and forget it cooker. I've had just nothing but positive experiences with the PBC, always. It's so easy and I just love it. And like I said, I'll get fancy at the end, but I'm just throwing some broccoli with some Uncle Steve's and stuff like that, and those rib caps on there, and I want to let them get some smoke, and I want to do it low and slow at 275. We'll do the sear later, but it's really why it's just a really set it and forget it cooker. All right, now I think it's the appropriate time to say thank you to everybody that has liked, subscribed, interacted with us on Instagram, Twitter, all the stuff. Thank you. I want to put our top tier 2 and our epic tier 3 channel members on the screen right now. Thank you guys all so much for supporting our little YouTube hobby. Babe and I appreciate it so much. You guys make us that we're able to have like epic steak dinners like this. It's so awesome. So thank you. We appreciate you all. All right, let's jump back into the show. Oh yeah. After about 12 minutes, I need to flip these rib caps. They're tied with the butcher's twine, but I want to promote some even cooking. So we got to do that. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, the smell is so good. All right, just let this roll a little bit longer. So I'm going to take those off there at approximately 120 internal and then put them on there. The Pit Boss 5-burner flat top griddle. That thing, I'm getting this thing scorching hot because I want to do a sear on there. So reverse sear, bring it over here, sear it, make that crust on there with that SPG. I just think it's going to be really good. And the broccoli's on there. Babe's making a little risotto and stuff like that. I don't know. We're being bougie tonight. If you got the grills, then I guess you better use them. Okay, we're almost there. 118, 119. We're getting there. It's a spicy piece. But once you get in the middle, okay, we're about there. After 20 minutes, we're about there. I mean, in the steak game, this is probably the best steak game that you guys could have. The rib cap, the ribeye cap. I mean, it's ridiculous. So it's a magical swimming day dinner. Rib cap, broccoli, in-grain cutting board, best cutting board ever.
Deliciousness, avocado.
Oh.
Sorry, avocado ranch.
Okay.
And some risotto.
I feel like that's a good dinner.
Pretty darn good.
It's not rice-a-roni, it's risotto.
Well, it's rice-a-rodo.
It's rice-a-rodo?
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye to the folks.
Goodbye.